Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Invent Your Skill. Our channel is dedicated to provide tech enthusiasts, professionals, and curious minds with the latest insights, trends, and knowledge in the field of IT. In today's video, we will be showcasing the steps for Oracle VM VirtualBox 7.0.10 installation on your computer. Our further videos on this channel will be on Oracle Linux 8.8 installation on Oracle VM VirtualBox, followed by installation of Oracle Database 19c on this newly created Linux machine, installation of SQL Developer on this Linux machine. So please subscribe to our channel. Let's begin with the installation of Oracle VM.